What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is me, Dave Does Vids, and I'm here on my 46th birthday. And I'm here in RPM Raceway in Farmingdale, Long Island. It also has video games, food, mini bowling, things like that. So it's basically a bigger version of Laser Bounce. I did another video in my channel about Laser Bounce that's located in Queens. But this is my first time here, and I want to show you guys how it looks. So come along with me. Now, initially I thought that this was a bigger version of Laser Bounce, but as soon as I walked in and I saw the Go Kart and I saw the racing uniforms and I saw how big and really spacious this place was, along with the gigantic, almost RoboCop looking virtual reality game as soon as you walk in there where you're driving and you're shaking and all that other stuff, it's just really cool. They have extensive arcade options, including RPM VR and RPM Sim, as well as its mini bowling experience. RPM Raceway Farmingdale is also the perfect location for your celebration, personal or professional. At RPM Raceway Farmingdale, consumers will find a variety of experiences, such as the European-style high-speed karting. I'm actually going to go into a race car now. Got a helmet, got a mask, and they're actually going to do a digital recording. I'm going to have a GoPro on the top. I'll be able to upload that later, but just for now, just wanted to tell you guys what I was doing, and see you guys soon. I really have to say, guys, that I thoroughly enjoyed my visit to RPM Raceway. The go-karts alone was worth the trip. I mean, I've never been in one, I've never experienced it, so it was my first time experiencing a go-kart, and it's really fun, you know, and it's a great atmosphere, it's a great environment. Again, it's very, very spacious, especially now with everything going on in the world. I definitely like the layout of RPM Raceway. I especially personally love the basketball, obviously because I'm a huge basketball fan. But they do have a lot of games, retro games, current games, things of that nature. I definitely recommend going with a group of people to make everything a little bit more enjoyable. I definitely want to go back there again, and next time I want to bring a lot more people just so they could all experience it, have fun, go on the racetrack, race each other, talk a lot of junk, talk a lot of smack, compete, play the basketball games, play The Walking Dead, things of that nature. It's a really, really, really cool place. Again, I was very happy. I was very pleased. It was an unexpected trip that turned out to be a really, really cool experience. And I just wanted to document everything for you guys so you guys can check it out and definitely tell other people about it, because again, it's a really, really cool place and I definitely recommend it. Hey guys, thanks for checking out the video. If you like what you see, click here for more. Also, don't forget to subscribe and click the notifications bell so you can be the first one to get all the new alerts on the new videos.